Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone's OS version and the specific update size for the calling app so you avoid surprises. Once done, backup contacts and call history to cloud or local storage. This preserves numbers if the update resets settings. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi and have at least 50% battery or plug-in. Now open the phone app store, find the calling app, and tap Update to begin. This initiates the new call framework installation, and permissions flow. After the update downloads and installs, you'll be prompted to grant permissions. Allow microphone and contacts so calls function and caller ID remains accurate. Next, review new privacy toggles and call handling options. These often change what background access and spam filtering are allowed. If the update offers a new default dialer or call UI, set your preference now and adjust ringtone and vibration settings to match. These steps ensure calls behave as expected. You finish by testing both incoming and outgoing calls and checking voicemail, call recording, or spam filter behavior to confirm everything works. If audio is missing or notifications don't arrive, restart the phone and reconfirm permissions. Many issues clear with a reboot. If problems persist, clear the app cache, force stop, or reinstall the calling app and reapply permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: log into the same account on another device to verify whether it's device-specific or an account/server issue before contacting support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.